Hello, everybody. I'm Ryan Blake Jackson from the Colorado School of Mines, and the work that I'm presenting today is called Design, Performance, and Perception of Robot Identity. In humans, mind, body, and identity have a one-to-one-to-one mapping. However, robots and multi-robot systems are not bound by this traditional mapping, and there are many different ways to organize robotic minds, bodies, and identities beyond a simple one-to-one-to-one correspondence, a few of which are shown as examples here. In HRI, we're primarily concerned with how interactants or users perceive our robots, which scholars formalize as the user's level of abstraction. To the typical user, the observable cues for robot identity broadly include naming, speech, behavior, and appearance. We argue that there are compelling reasons for robot designers to manipulate these observables to make robot systems perform identity in ways that don't necessarily correspond to the mapping between minds and bodies behind the scenes. We consider human trust, comfort, and ease of communication as potential motivators, and cite evidence showing that robot designers do not simply need to recreate human-like configurations of identity. We also consider that multi-robot systems can fluidly adapt identity performance to context in ways that are impossible for humans, like creating and discarding new identities at will. And we discussed the potential utility of this capacity. We then discussed the concept of composite identity in human systems like corporations and governments, where an organization's identity is constructed from multiple individual identities, and how this concept applies to multi-robot systems. Conversely, we present some factors that may compose identity, like beliefs, goals, memories, and perceptual locus, though further research is required to determine whether these are necessary to identity or simply co-occur with identity in humans. We finish by discussing potential consequences of users gaining information that would reveal a robotic system's identity as performance and, in a sense, illusory or deceptive. Users might react negatively to perceptions of having been deceived, but not all robot deception is bad, and users may react positively with increased perceptions of robot consideration or competence. There is early empirical support for both possibilities, and we think that this is a key area for future work. If you're interested in the details, please take a look at our paper and contact us if you'd like to discuss further. Thank you.